那时的你我 Sitting in the car, listening to blind 周边每个角落只有你和我，不需要多说，笑得那么快乐我该说些什么听着这一刻 It's just you and me 我们两个在一生中合着爱在这旷野而来不停辗转不曾停摆面对着黑暗有光芒在你眼中流转
2,000 years later.
Good morning guys, welcome back to another video upload. For those who do not know me, Kamalam Gomabilo Mul. Guys, I have flu. Kamalam Gomabilo Mul. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I have flu and yesterday guys I couldn't do anything. I even did a new hairstyle but then I didn't show you guys. Good guys, I can't vlog because I'm so sick. But today I'm going to the pharmacy to get medication because I'm going to the pharmacy and I know you guys are gonna be like, if it is me, better don't worry. No, I do have it. I'm gonna see you guys when I come back, guys. My throat, my nose is blocked. Every part of my body is painful. To top it up, my period time. Like everything is going wrong. I haven't attended and it's Thursday today. I have a presentation tomorrow. Guys, kuningi. But I'll be okay. Guys, I'm gonna show my ass. It's not nice here, Baba. Good morning guys, and welcome to a brand new day into the vlog. I don't know because I was supposed to be in class as we speak because I have a 7:30 class and 11 a.m. class, but I'm not gonna go. I'm not attending shame this week. I'm gonna start attending next week because guys, this flu, every time I think it's getting better, it's actually getting worse. So I'm still recovering. I think by Monday I'll be okay. So I'll start attending from Monday because this week I didn't attend. But I was supposed to attend on a Friday. I haven't attended from Monday. I'm gonna start attending next week Monday because I think that's where we're gonna be seriously preparing for our June exams. This week we're just getting our marks and namanja ngabo nuthi iphe qualifying zone, but I've only received marks for one module. Yeah, I'm still waiting for the rest. What else? I think guys, I wanna go to the library and study, but then thing is I think everything will go according to plan from next week. This week it's a resting week and trying to make me feel better because child, it's not cute, it's not looking good. I haven't been vlogging guys because I was so sick. Like even Bambi camera was a mission because this flu, it's not nice guys, but at least it's getting better. Yeah. What else did I want to say guys? What did I want to say? I forget easily. That's one thing I hate about me because I can literally talk about something mad and forget about it. But I think this vlog's not gonna go up this week. It's probably gonna go out next week guys. As I was saying guys, the plan is to study and prep for exams because I'm about to write and I need to be fully prepared for exams that I wasn't prepared fully for during a semester week. because I saw by my marks it's a go happy, so I need to prep for junior exam because junior exam is gonna be much harder than semester. Guys, oh, I'm dying. I literally want to be at home, but I can't because I chose to study far from home. But it's fine as long as it will be another degree. Yeah, bye guys. I'm gonna see you when I do something. I don't think I'm gonna do anything. If I do anything, I'm gonna study. Okay, I want to tell y'all, go see my laptop. I don't know what's going on with my laptop. I'm gonna switch it off because the Wi-Fi thingy is not showing. Like it's not showing, and I can't connect to the Wi-Fi because land I've been no man gonna settings in the bag. I'm gonna switch it off and switch it on, and then I see because when I land, I don't know. It's been over a week now, and the Wi-Fi avail. Thanks to connect hand so I can use the laptop. But I'll switch it off and on, and then I'm gonna tell you but I'm gonna show you guys when I wake up but the Wi-Fi thing is not showing. Really Bluetooth, airplane mode, none. I don't know the other stuff, but the Wi-Fi feed no more, my settings we big nothing. But I'm gonna show you guys. Wait, not guys, what am I saying? I ordered a journal. Is it a journal? A notebook on Takealot that I use when I'm reading my Bible. This is my Bible, and this is the journal that I got. And it actually matches my lip balm from Also Heavenly. Oh, I got this book at Takealot. I use it to write every time I get a Bible scripture. Gosh, every time I get a Bible scripture, like I use the soap method to write. Yeah, that's all. Being financial, this thing is matching my thingy. But yeah, guys, let me check if the laptop is okay. No, okie dokie. Wait, yeah, put my guitar. I'm feeling like camera. Oh yeah, I need to figure it out. Let's check if my thingy is working. Wait guys, let me drink my medication. Things are for a reason. 1,000 times a changing season. But never mind, I think I'm getting better. This is my medication that I'm gonna be drinking because the flu was trying to kill me, but it gives me Delarufa. I'm about to drink my medication. Guys, I'm not a fan of medication. I just feel like if I'm pushing naughty, I feel like these are dries with it much, especially with pills. Even when I have my period pains, I don't drink medication because I feel like these are dries every time you're part of my period cramps meet. So I need pools. Here am I here? I'm drinking because I'm sure if I don't. First one. It's this one. Yeah. I still don't understand why bang nail the most, but okay. Now Ungathanda amaphilisi nkani? I'm not a fan. I wonder overkill because my body's hurting. I'm also gonna drink Lale in one go. This one for my skin because my skin has been acting up. But Manje is slowly getting better because I've been drinking Gamma Please. Well, what's to drink? Gamma Please I3. Yeah, 1 to 3 in one go, sana. I hate Amaphilisi. The last one was sweet for my throat. It's like Strepsils, but not Strepsils. I'm bored. I'm done. Guys, let's okay, you can't see because I'm getting brightness. Guys, my thing is now showing. Where have you been? This thing wasn't showing, guys. Manja, it's back. Oh my god, I'm so happy.